In today's video, I'm going to share with you an amazing chess opening trick to trap your opponent and win the game in the first few moves. I'll be showing you all the different variations, strategies and ideas behind this trap, so stay tuned till the end and keep watching Chess Talk. Hello chess friends, I am Jitendra Advani. If this is your first time on this channel and you want to learn some cool chess tricks and become a better chess player, then start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. The trick I'm going to show you now is popularly known as the Légal's mate or the Blackburne Trap. This trap works by a queen sacrifice followed by checkmate with minor pieces if black accepts it. Let's begin with the opening moves. We start with the king's pawn opening, e4, e5, then knight f3 and knight c6. Then bishop c4 and d6. This is the Italian game turned into Phildor Defense. What you need to note here is the position of the pieces. The sequence of moves could be different, but it will all result in the same position, so keep that in mind. From here you will play knight c3. Now there is a very common move that you will see from black, and that is bishop to g4. He's developing his bishop and at the same time pinning your knight to the queen. But this actually is not a good move and you can take advantage of this. Let me show you how. First, you will simply play pawn to h3. The best move for black now would actually be to capture the knight, but this is not something you will see often. The most natural move that you will see from black would be moving the bishop back to h5 and persisting with the pin. This is exactly what you want black to play. You will now start setting up your trap. You will begin with this surprising move, knight to e5. Yes, you are inviting black to capture your queen with his bishop. If black tries to be greedy and takes your queen, then he's gone. Because after bishop f7 check, black has the only move king e7 and then knight d5 is checkmate and it's game over. Let me just go back and show you another variation if black does not capture your queen. In this position, many of you might be wondering why we played this pawn to h3. We could have straight away gone for knight e5. But the problem here is that if black decides not to take the queen, then he can capture your knight and also defend his bishop from being captured by your queen. This will be a significant advantage for black. So going back, by playing h3 first and kicking the bishop back to h5, we can take this pawn, and now even if black doesn't take the queen and captures the knight, we can capture the bishop first, and after this knight takes our bishop, we can double attack by giving check and then capture the knight easily. If you look at the position, we are not only up a pawn, but also significantly ahead in development. This trick is something you should definitely try in blitz and bullet games. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or thoughts to share. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more such chess videos. For some interesting chess tips, tricks and puzzles, you can like my Facebook page. Links are in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in my next video.